We're gonna get the round 30. Let's all declare that right now.
Are you ready? Here we go.
I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1.
Go,
9,
John!
8, 7,
Fuck.
6,
Wait,
5,
Why do we need to count down to our
3, 2,
So much
1,
anticipation.
9, 8.
No! Evan, no! Not again!
All right, boys. It's Christmas.
Wow, Christmas, man. Oh my god.
Christmas, Halloween, Kwanzaa, DLC.
I have a tactic, okay?
Tactic.
What's gonna happen is we're gonna camp by a window for a whole 30 rounds, okay?
That sounds really entertaining.
No, trust me though, you wanna see
Number
this.
1 in gaming content. There's a gun over here. There you go.
Oh, don't buy that gun, it fucking sucks.
Oh,
You're supposed
yeah.
to buy the
But
pistol.
you bought a pistol.
Did you
This
buy
was
it,
beastie
dude?
shit.
What the
This
fuck?
gun
It's a
is
good
awesome.
gun.
Look how
No,
big
it's
it
not.
It has
is.
lights on it. It has lights on it. It has
What?
LEDs.
Oh my gosh. Why are you buying so many guns, you fucking idiot?
Because we have to kill zombies, you butt plug.
Ah, you can use your pistol. Hello?
No.
This turns on the power, alright?
I must say no.
Alright, now just camp at this window. That's literally all you have to do is look at this window. Can you do that? Can
That's
you do
boring.
that? It's not boring, man. You gotta do boring shit to survive. What about The Walking Dead? That's boring.
That's all we're doing?
Yeah, that's all we're doing, man. The Walking Dead is boring, and they survive for fucking ages. They only come through the window, literally the window. Don't even go outside. Don't go outside. If you go outside, I'll fucking...
So if a guy comes over here, do I just have to take it?
No, man. Don't even... They won't come there, ever. They'll
Are
only
you
come
sure?
through this window.
No go. There's a guy crossing the bridge right now.
That's
Can I-
because you fucking went out there, you
No, I
dumb
didn't.
bitch.
I'm still in the room.
Coming in, they're coming in, they're coming in.
I can't shoot him. I can't shoot him. I'm not allowed to.
Are you serious?
What is that? What is that?
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Oh god. Oh, we're dead.
Oh,
We're
are
dead.
you
We're dead.
fucking
We're dead.
shitting me? I'm done. I'm fucking done. You had one job. Look at the window, Mini-Lab, but you stood there with your dick in your mouth. Fuck! You're so useless. Mini, I can see you. Get back to the fucking window.
I'm fucking running, aren't I?
Well, you're not, man. You're fucking jacking off
really?
some men. Go over here.
Fuck.
30 minutes later.
Yeah, boys.
Round
That's
12.
Fun, right? Fun.
I'm leaving. Fuck you.
No, don't!
And I'm opening this door. And I'm going down
You
here.
assholes!
Freedom! It's so
If we
good this
don't
week.
get to round 30, you're gonna fucking know
We don't
why.
need to do that stupid strategy that's boring as shit.
It's not stupid. It's clearly not stupid. Where you guys training? Where's everyone training?
Brock's gym.
At Ricky Toffin Fitness.
Fuck's sake. I did. All right. This could be a long
Fitness,
day.
pizza first.
Evan, you're gonna have to jump out the window.
Really? Why?
I have an upgraded ray gun. Don't leave me.
Oh, fuck, dude. Fuck!
Don't
Oh,
die.
my
Are you
fuck!
dead? Are you dead?
You can't hit! I went
Pick me up.
down!
I'm more valuable.
I'm not gonna be able to get you guys.
Evan.
I'm a newborn. I'm a newborn. I
You're
just
so
spawned last round.
Jump out the window, Evan! Jump out the window!
No.
Oh, you got it! They're coming for you!
I can do this.
My ray gun.
I can do it.
Stop!
Oh god. Oh god.
I
Come on,
thought you were a
reload.
nice guy.
I can do it. 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 Just aim for the head. Aim for the
Come
head.
on, Evan. Come on.
How many left?
Jump
How many
down and
left?
save me!
I
Jump
don't
down
know. It
and save
doesn't
me!
say. It's
You
not
can do it! You
loaded.
can do it! You can jump down and save me!
Can I?
Please.
Can I?
No, no, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't.
Screw you, Nobler.
Go, 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 go.
Please, I'm right here! You're my best friend, man!
Oh, no.
I tried. I tried.
We're definitely not gonna make it around 30. I'm just saying it right now.
Where do you guys want to
It's
spawn?
Oh,
On second thought,
Oh,
maybe.
nice. Or not.
maybe we can get to round 30. Oh my god! I'm going down. Fuck my life!
What's that green thing? What's the
Okay.
green thing? What's the green thing?
I don't know. Just figure it out. Whatever it is. It
instant kill,
can't
instant
be
kill.
bad.
Oh,
Instant kill.
that's important.
Instant
We
kill.
need that. Come on, reload. God damn it.
My ding was reloading.
Your dick was reloading.
My,
That's
My
what it
dick
sounded
reload.
like. All right.
Dude, I'm literally getting 10 frames a second right now.
Because you have like a million zombies.
Capture.
Here, I'll help you. There you go.
Whoa.
Oh,
Took out
thanks,
like
man.
30 of
Thanks
them.
for stealing all the points.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Just trying to
You're-
save your life, man. Just trying to save your life.
Oh, yeah, it totally saved me. The only thing you saved me there is fucking frames. Dude, what the fuck, man? My bullets are whack.
What the hell, Mini Lad? I didn't know you were dead. What
Yeah,
the
hi.
shit? What are you?
We should have kept
Yeah,
it
you guys
going.
wanna come pick me up? Just there now.
I just see you just
I know
crawling up
what-
the steps with the zombies. I'm like, what the hell?
Just help me.
Dude, I'm literally getting fuck all frames right here, Evan. Oh man,
How'd the
I
blind
can
jump for
hear
the
you
fifth
slamming
fucking
that
time?
shit.
I'm actually getting framey too.
Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked.
No,
I'm
we're
getting
fine,
the
we're fine,
fuck
we're fine, we're fine,
outta
we're fine,
here.
we're fine.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Let's go,
I'm
let's
getting,
go, let's
I'm getting the fuck. We're done. We're fucking done, man. We're done.
God damn it!
See what happens, mini lad, huh?
Why are you looking at me?
Oh, look at you. Look at you turning it up with 299 kills, 9 downs.
I was on the
Oh,
ground
boy.
for fucking 40 minutes.
Wait, don't kill this guy. Look, watch this, Nogla.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
Obi.
Headshot. I didn't know you
Poor
could do that.
bastard.
Kobe. Yeah, double kill.
That was actually
I
pretty
wanna
cool.
play.
See, this is nice and peaceful, all right? Our videos don't have to be all hectic and crazy and weird and wacky stuff happening. You can just be nice and peaceful, you know?
Just as you say that.
Not peaceful.
What the fuck? What did I tell you, huh? What did I say to you?
Timing.
Nice and peaceful.
Suddenly the gameplay has become exciting and interesting and awesome and everybody wants to like and subscribe! Oh my
Just
god!
Doritos flying on the screen.
Oh my god, Mountain Dew! Boobs! Oh, boobs!
Lots of boots. Like you said, lots
Lots
of boots.
boobs!
Boots and cats.
Good job, mini lad. Go have a treat. Just looking at his
That's so
face.
loud.
Just looking at his face while he crunches. Your character looks so unsure of himself.
We can do the Easter egg now. We can do the Easter egg. Let him in.
All right, step 1.
Is shoot that thingy over there.
Like the pat. Oh, there we go. Got it.
There you go.
Got
There, you
it.
got it. Attaboy, Evan. Attaboy.
Let's play hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Watch your back. Watch
Gmod.
your back.
Gmod. Hide and seek.
You might hide and seek. Let's go play that, guys. You see the teddy up on the top of the stairs right there in that building?
Oh yeah.
See that? Yeah, shoot him. Shoot
Oh,
him.
yeah.
Shoot Delirious' teddy. It makes a laugh.
There we go.
Ooh.
Did you hear the laugh?
Yeah, I heard delirious.
Yeah. Okay, and then you go in here. All right, and he's going to be in here. He's going to be in one of these, and you gotta
Oh
shoot
yeah, I watch
He's in this one,
Wildcats
he's in this
tutorial.
one.
I watch Wildcats
him.
tutorial.
Yeah, I
I know.
watched the one. Yeah, best tutorial.
Oh yeah.
Got it, man.
Got
You
him?
definitely
All
got
right,
it. It was
all
all
right.
you.
Oh shit, right there.
All right, let's keep moving. Keep moving. Last step for the Easter egg, boys.
For this step, you got to turn up your gamma.
Well, yeah, you gotta turn up your gamma. You gotta hold on. You gotta pause. You gotta press start. You gotta go to options.
Oh, I see it. I see it. I
gotta
see
go to
it.
graphics.
Where is he? I don't see it. I still don't see it. Go ahead, you shoot it. You shoot it. I don't see it. I'll turn it up.
There you go. There
Nice.
you go. Nicely done. Nicely done. Now we can get the weapon.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it, man.
Oh, there it is, boys. There it is. Can we each get it?
Ooh.
Oh, yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Oh, yeah. Let's do this.
Ow.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam. Oh my god, this is actually really. This is really satisfying.
Yeah, it's a one shot.
Oh, God.
And then back to my pew pew.
Oh, my God.
Oh,
Oh,
Nice.
Bad.
Oh, he's
Oh,
down.
you went down. Wah,
This
wah,
pistol
wah,
sucks.
wah, 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 wah. Oh, what the fuck? What
I'm
the
gonna die, I'm 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 gonna die. No, no, no! I'm alive.
You guys good?
I'm alive. No, no, okay.
Oh, Evan, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up.
What is this?
What are you going for the box for?
I
What are you going for the
got
box
you.
for?
I got you. I got you.
Oh, the monkeys coming.
I got you. I got you.
Thank you. Oh, fuck.
Run away from the monkey. What the hell? He sounded like a monkey bomb.
Fuck, dude. I don't even pick me up. I want
God
it.
damn it,
Here, no,
Nogla.
monkeys move.
Alright.
Why would you
good.
throw the
No, no, no.
monkey on me? You literally threw the monkey next to me. Ah! No!
Wait, how many left? How many left? How many left?
I don't know. It doesn't say it's not a mod. Oh dear. Evanescence.
That just proves to you fucking headshot actually sucks.
What? Oh my god!
No, Evan.
Oh my god, when are they gonna stop
Oh my
spawning?
goodness! I fucking suck!
Holy shit, there are so many.
God damn! Evan, we reached round 15, okay? You can go down. Honorable Surabru.
No.
Honorable Surabru, man. Just give up.
Honorable.
I will not give up.
No expectations. Oh, protect me! Protect me! Protect me! Mini, they're all there! Mini!
Okay, Evan, you're on your own.
Oh my god, are you guys dead?
Oh, fuck!
You guys
I'll
are
block
dead?
him! I'll block him, man! They won't be able to get through me!
No, I'm dead. Rippity.
Oh, we're both down. Oh, I'm gonna crawl on down.
No, Evan, no. Okay, yeah, I do actually. Just
Sorry.
Scissor me timbers, though.
Come on, Evan. Just go down. Everyone watching wants you to go down, alright? All said. Evan, can you just go down? You made it to round 15. Even
No.
you made it to round 21.
I must make it to round 30.
No, you don't, Evan. Sometimes in life
shit,
you don't.
dumb.
Oh, that you see? Oh, you gotta go down. See, your mind is subconsciously making mistakes.
That dire wolf is
I don't
insane.
know. I don't know what to do if I were you, Evan. Oh, they're coming in. They're relentless. Relentless.
We got this.
What the fuck, man? Evan can do
I
this
don't
on his own. Not even aiming down sight anymore. Oh yes, kill him!
Shut up, Nogla!
Oh, no,
Whose side are you on?
I was telling you to
on?
kill him. I was telling you to kill him, Evan. What are you talking about? Hey, that's it. Kill him. Finish him. Finish him. Go on, Evan. You got this.
Why do you say that every time I reload?
That's it, Evan. That's it. Die! Die, Evan! Die! Oh man, good job, Evan. Woo! 21.
I'm really glad I was here to participate.
God damn it.
Look who you played with, Evan. 186 and 301.
I spent all my money on the box and I got jack diddly shit.